Hello friends, I am Shabeen, and today I'm going to tell you everything about Dogecoin. In this video, we will learn when Dogecoin was invented, who invented it, how its journey has been over the years, what its future may look like, and how people can work with Dogecoin and potentially earn from it. So watch this complete video till the end, and if you are new to the channel, please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more crypto updates. Dogecoin is one of the most famous cryptocurrencies in the world. Many people first thought it was just a joke, but over time it became a serious digital asset with millions of users. Dogecoin was launched on December 6, 2013. It was created by Billy Markus and Jackson Palmer at that time. Bitcoin was becoming popular, but many people felt the crypto industry was too serious. Billy Markus and Jackson Palmer wanted to create a fun and friendly cryptocurrency. They used the famous Shiba Inu dog meme as the logo, and that is how Dogecoin was born. The early days of Dogecoin, 5 o'clock to 8 o'clock. In the beginning, Dogecoin was mainly used for internet tipping, small online payments, community donations, fund transactions. The Dogecoin community quickly became famous for its generosity. One of the most memorable moments was when the community helped raise money for charitable causes and even sponsored sports events. This gave Dogecoin a positive reputation compared to many other cryptocurrencies. Dogecoin's growth over time, 800 to 1200. For several years, Dogecoin remained a relatively small cryptocurrency. Then something changed. Around 2020 and 2021. Social media users began talking about Dogecoin heavily. Large online communities started buying it, and the price increased dramatically. The biggest influence came from Elon Musk. Whenever Elon Musk tweeted about Dogecoin, the market reacted strongly. Because of this, many people started calling him the Doge Father. In the beginning, Dogecoin was mainly used for tipping content creators online. People sent small amounts of Doge to reward funny posts, helpful comments, and creative content. The community became famous for charity campaigns and fundraising events. For example, Dogecoin supporters helped fund charitable causes and sports sponsorships. During these years, the price of Dogecoin remained very low, often just a fraction of a cent. Many investors did not take it seriously at that time. The crypto market entered a major bull run in 2017, and Dogecoin started gaining attention. However, the biggest explosion happened in 2020 and 2021. Several factors helped Dogecoin grow. Social media popularity, meme culture, celebrity support, increased interest in cryptocurrencies. One of the most influential supporters was Elon Musk. Tweets about Dogecoin attracted millions of new investors. In 2021, Dogecoin reached its all-time high of around $0.73. Many early holders made significant profits during this period. After reaching its peak, Dogecoin experienced a major correction. This is common in the crypto market. Prices went down as investors took profits and market conditions changed. Even after the decline, Dogecoin remained among the most recognized cryptocurrencies globally. It continued to be listed on major exchanges and remained active in the crypto community. Dogecoin uses a blockchain similar to Bitcoin. It operates with a system called proof of work. Miners use computer power to validate transactions and secure the network. When a transaction is confirmed, it is added to the blockchain. Key features. Feature Dogecoin fast transactions. Yes, low fees. Yes, decentralized. Yes, open source. Yes, unlimited supply. Yes, unlike Bitcoin, Dogecoin does not have a fixed maximum supply, which means new coins can continue to be created. There are several ways people use Dogecoin. 1. Trading buy low and sell high. Traders analyze price movements and market trends. 2. Long-term holding. Some investors buy Doge and hold it for years, hoping its value will increase. 3. Mining. People with mining equipment can participate in securing the network and earn rewards. 4. Payments. Some businesses accept Dogecoin as payment for products and services. 5. Content creation. Many creators receive Doge donations or tips from their audience. Important advice. Never invest money you cannot afford to lose. Crypto markets can be highly volatile, easy for beginners, simple to understand compared with many complex crypto projects, strong community support, millions of supporters around the world, fast transactions. Transfers are usually quicker than many older blockchain networks, low transaction fees, useful for small payments and online tipping. High brand recognition. One of the most well-known cryptocurrencies globally, high price volatility. The price can rise or fall very quickly. Social media influence tweets and online trends can move the market sharply. Unlimited supply, new Dogecoins continue to be created. Market competition. Thousands of other cryptocurrencies are competing for attention. Guaranteed profits. Future returns are never certain. Many analysts believe Dogecoin still has potential because of its large community and strong recognition. Possible future developments include more payment adoption, integration with online platforms, improved technology, increased institutional interest in crypto markets. However, future growth will depend on overall crypto market conditions, user adoption, regulatio, NSS continued development and support. Some bullish investors believe Doge could revisit previous highs in a strong bull market, while others expect more moderate growth. No one can predict the exact future price. Friends, today we learned that Dogecoin started as a joke in 2013, was created by Billy Marcus and Jackson Palmer, grew into one of the world's most popular cryptocurrencies, and continues to attract millions of users. We also discussed its history, advantages, risks, future possibilities, and different ways people can work with Dogecoin. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Tell me in the comments, do you think Dogecoin can reach a new all-time high in the future? This is Shabeen, and I will see you in the next crypto video. Take care and keep learning.